So this is just a quick freebie that I tell everybody and encourage everybody, because one thing I hear about from people all the time is that they just don't feel good. They feel, like they don't get enough. They get lightheaded. They just feel like they don't get enough nutrients. Whatever the case may be, they'll go to the ER and they did their blood work and everything was fine. And then I asked them about their diet, and they're very non-specific and they tell me how they eat. And of course, their eating is never very good when you sit there and talk to people. People just don't eat how they should these days for the most part. And whether you're on a weight loss program or not, something that I would say to everybody is just take one electrolyte replacement drink a day, preferably in the morning. You will feel better, okay? I'm going to suggest a couple of products designed by Health, if you can see it. I know the background's a little different here. I really like this one. It's good. They have all sorts of things that you can get at the store. I like these liquid IVs. The peach iced tea is good. Propel water bottle. If you're at the store, just go pick one up. If you're at the convenience store in the morning, I feel that way too if I don't get my electrolyte replacement drink in the morning. I will literally feel like a faded flower. And then if you're trying to work out or something, so if you fasted all night and then now you're going to go try and go to work and you didn't eat breakfast and you don't have any electrolytes, you're not going to feel that great. Also, I'll say it all day long, collagen peptides. That is part of my routine. I have an electrolyte replacement drink in the morning, and I put collagen peptides in my coffee. And then, whether I'm having a smoothie or some other sort of like nutritional juice drink, those are my two main staple go-tos every morning. And I think it works for me. Maybe everybody's different. I know a lot of people work out in the morning. They like to take a pre-workout drink, those sort of things. Whatever works for you. Everybody's going to be a little bit different. But I would definitely say you need to get some sort of electrolyte replacements in the morning to get you going. And that may help with that faded feeling, like I just don't feel like I have energy, and I get lightheaded, and I went to the ER and they said I was fine, my potassium was a little low, or whatever the case may be, because I hear different variations of this story all the time over the years. And I'm telling you, drink an electrolyte replacement drink in the morning. Stay away from energy drinks. You'll hear me get on my soapbox about that one too. I was trying to get this video to be just a short and sweet one, so I'm not going to go on a tangent about energy drinks. But that's another one. Try and stay away from them. If you're drinking 2 or 3 of them a day, go ahead and just start trying to wean down to 1 a day, and just stick with that for now. Okay, I do realize that they do usually have some B vitamins in them and sometimes some other electrolytes, but let's just try and tone those down a little bit, and we'll work on that in the near future too. Okay, but get your electrolyte replacement drink in daily and start thinking about adding some collagen peptides to your routine as well. Okay, nutrition is key. Talk to you later. Bye bye.